This is our street, it's where we live. We love to play together.
Quick, Tim!
Just like you, you're just
Topsy,
like us,
run!
and we'll be friends forever.
Go, Tim!
We can be anything if we close our eyes and dream. We can play day after day, and the fun will never end. This is our street, it's where we live, so let's all play together. Be best friends forever.
Hello! It's us! Topsy and Tim! Today we're going to Dad's office! Come on! Dad's office.
Okay, hurry up please, you two.
Finished. I'm ready to go, Dad.
Good girl. Okay, things in the dishwasher, please.
We're going to work with Dad for the first time today
Let's go.
because Mummy is away at Granny Molly's. Dad is the boss at Helpful Drivers Minibuses. Dad,
Yeah?
will we ride around in your minibus today?
No, Tim. The minibuses have got journeys to make and passages to collect all day. We can't go with them.
Then what are we going to do at your office, Dad?
Well, I'm going to show you two off to everyone.
Oh, Dad! Dad!
And you're going to bring a toy each to play with while I do my work, remember?
Oh, yes!
Good. Are you ready, twins?
Oh.
Time to go.
Coming, Dad! Dad, I'm going to bring my rubbish truck to show you Helpful Drivers. What are you bringing, Topsy? I'm bringing Little Moon Bunny. Found you. We're going to Dad's office today, so be good. Coming. Wow! When we get to Dad's office, we see the Helpful Drivers sign and 3 minibuses.
Here we are, twins. Helpful drivers. Right, team. I need your best behaviour this morning, yes?
Okay, Dad.
Thank you. I'll get my work done as soon as I can, then we can go home for lunch and be silly and noisy, OK?
High five, Tim.
Yeah!
High five, Dad.
OK. Good morning, Suzanne.
Morning, Brian. Oh, you must be Topsy and Tim.
Yeah, yes, we are.
I'm Suzanne, one of your dad's drivers.
Hello, Suzanne. Hi. What's that?
Ah, well, this helps people to get into the minibus. Would you like to have a try?
Yes, please.
Yeah. OK, right, stand back. There we go. Right, wait till it's all the way down. There you go. Ah, that's it. Hold on. Very good.
Ready? Pop that down.
Yeah.
Good boy.
That's it. Ready?
Yeah.
Looks like I've got 2 extra passengers today. Do you want to come on my next journey with me, Topsy and Tim?
Yes, please. Come here, Dad.
Oh, I'm afraid not. Come on, you two. It's time to meet everyone inside the office and let Suzanne do her job.
Okay. There are lots of rooms in Dad's office with lots of people working in them. This one.
Oh, could it be? Hello, Topsy. Hello, Tim.
Ah, this is Carol.
Hello, Carol. How does everyone know our names, Dad?
Because they've heard a lot about you from me. Come on, Tim. Come here.
Oh, is this where you work, Dad?
Yeah, this is my office.
Is this your chair, Dad?
Which one?
This one.
No, this one.
Wow! Cool. Look, Dad, I'm a busy worker like you are. Ah. Hello, someone's calling. I just need to put you on hold. Look, there's a picture of us, Topsy. And look, there's a picture of Mummy too. And us again. My turn in the spinny chair now. Okay.
Hi, Topsy and Tim. I'm Kevin.
Hi, Kevin. Hello, Kevin. Why is everyone wearing photographs?
Oh, that's just my photo badge. It shows I work here at Helpful Drivers.
Kevin is my assistant, and I happen to know he's got a job for you. Who'd like to help him?
Me!
Okay, off you go.
Come on, Kevin. Spin me, Dad.
Spin. Okay, ready? 1, 2.
I'm gonna have a quick spin in your chair.
Here we are.
Wow! Kevin is photocopying a newsletter for Dad. And he wants me to help.
And if you want to pop that just in the corner for me, please. Lovely. And then we'll pull this down. So slowly pull that down. Careful. That's it. And we'll do 10 copies of this one. So 10.
10.
And then green.
That one.
Perfect. Hopefully we'll get 10 copies.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I make lots of copies for Kevin. And then I have a drink. Topsy! Topsy! Come and see this! Coming! Look, I'm helping Carol. I'm collecting all her pencil shavings and putting them in my rubbish collecting truck. I want to do that. Oh, you can help.
There's still more photocopying to do, Topsy.
Oh, I'll help, Kevin.
Thanks, Tim. It's this way. Down the hall.
Helpful Drivers, Brian O'Dell speaking. Yep. I can check for you now.
Dad.
Okay, go. Yep. Sure thing.
Tim, I'm sharpening pencils for Dad now.
Yep. Yep, okay. Read that out to me. Yep. Yeah, it's gone. Okay. Thanks, Mr. Spencer. We'll be in touch soon. Okay, bye-bye.
I love being in your office, Dad.
Do you want to answer the phone this time, Topsy?
Yes, please.
Okay. Just say Helpful Drivers and your name.
Helpful Drivers is Topsy O'Dell. Yes, it's Suzanne, the minibus driver on the phone. Oh, hello, Suzanne. She tells me that a friend of mine is on her minibus. She's driving her back now. We'll go outside to see which friend of mine is on Suzanne's minibus.
Look who I found on my minibus, Topsy. Your friend.
Little Moon Bunny! Oh, Little Moon Bunny, I've been so busy I've forgotten all about you. And you've been on the minibus all morning. Thank you.
Good
That's
girl.
okay. Little Moon Bunny enjoyed her ride today.
And Topsy and Tim have been a real help in the office. In fact, I think they deserve these.
Wow!
Your very own photo badges.
Wow, thanks, Dad.
And you?
Thanks.
Look at that. It's you. You made Little Moon Bunny a badge. Very good.
Yeah.
Oh, Mummy's going to be so proud of you when she hears all about your hard work today.
Please can we ring her and tell her, Dad?
Well...
And that's when Dad says, you can tell Mummy yourselves tomorrow.
You can tell Mummy yourselves tomorrow, Topsy and Tim, when we pick her up from the train station.
Yay!
But first, let's have some of Dad's special spaghetti for lunch after a hard morning's work.
And that, said Dad, was that. Hello. Are you good at remembering? Can you remember what happened to us today? This is our Topsy and Tim memory game. Let's play. Today, we went to Dad's office. Can you remember which teddy I left on the minibus? Was it Eddie Teddy? Or was it Little Moon Bunny? The answer is behind the jigsaw piece. The answer is Little Moon Bunny. Watch this. We'll go outside to see which friend of mine is on Suzanne's minibus.
Look who I found on my minibus, Topsy. Your friend.
Little Moon Bunny! Great game. That was good fun. See you soon.